Alright, in this video I'm going to show how to fix Instagram stories repeating glitch. So just watch this video until the end. So this is like, for example, that's the stories area. If it's repeating, just watch this video until the end and for you to solve this. So this video is 1 minute and 40 seconds. You don't want to miss any part of this video because it's very important, and the last part seems to be the very most important part. So let's get started. So select the application, that is Instagram, and then try to do what they call a force stop or clear cache all data. Clear cache all data, that's the first thing you need to do that. Now, on doing that, and just make sure if you're a fan of phone tech tips, tricks, just make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family. So don't skip the video yet, don't go away yet. The next part is very important as you try to solve this stories repeating problem. Just go to Google Play Store, try to go to Google Play Store within your phone. Head to Google Play Store and in the search area input Instagram application. So this area, usually this problem, the Instagram stories repeating glitch, comes up when like most likely you're not having most updated application of Instagram. So make sure you update your Instagram application to the latest version. Head to Google Play Store and update up to the latest version for you to solve this error. So head there and update your Instagram to the latest version. Now when you update the Instagram application, you should be able to solve this problem. So not yet. So if you pick value, if this works for you, please make sure and notify me in the comment down below, and you should be able to solve this problem of repeating stories. And subscribe if you're new here and hit like. Thanks for watching. It's the Albert Teaches.